Yes. First of all, good morning to all present here to have their class of mathematics, class third. Yesterday in online class we discussed about the dosing tables and we also do some activity of coloring a castle by using dosing table as a method. So if you have done that activity, we will move further. Today, we will learn about the multiplication part of for class 3 students. So my name is Bhuvnesh and I am your today's teacher to teach you multiplication. Yes, students, if you are in yesterday's class, we have discussed some multiplication of one number to another number, like 5 multiplied by dash is equals to 10. So you just have to recall the dosing multiplication and you will fill here, like 5 to the 10. So you all know the multiplication part. अच्छा, जैसे कि सभी जानते हैं ये जो 5 है एक नंबर है, इसकी मल्टीप्लाई हमने किससे की? 2 से की, तो हमारा क्या रिजल्ट आया? 10. So the question here is what we call these numbers? The number which is divided by other number, that is called multiplier. Okay, the number 2 is multiplying by number 5. It is the multiplier, and the number which is getting multiplied is we called multiplicand. Okay, first we have to know these two words, and the result which comes out here is called product. What we call this? Product. Very good. If you know this thing, we will move on. The number which is getting multiplied is called multiplicand. The number which multiplies the other number is called multiplier. And the result which comes out after the multiplication of multiplicand and multiplier is called product. ठीक है बेटा, हिंदी में जैसे कि जिस नंबर का हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, ठीक है, जो नंबर मल्टीप्लाई होता है वो होता है मल्टीप्लिकेंट, जो नंबर उससे मल्टीप्लाई करता है उसको बोलते हैं मल्टीप्लायर, और जो प्रोडक्ट आता है उसको बोलते हैं हम, सॉरी, जो मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद रिजल्ट आता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? प्रोडक्ट. अब इसको लिखते कैसे हैं? जैसे कि हमें 5 की मल्टीप्लाई करनी है 2 से, सो वी विल राइट लाइक दिस, 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2, write it here as 2 5s are 10. Right? You all have done this type of exercise in class also, at home also you have practiced these multiplication tables. Okay, today we will learn some new things you must know about multiplication. Okay, like we have a number here 25. Okay, now you all know that 5 is the unit place number, unit place, and 2 is the tens place number. Okay, tens place, and this is unit place number. So what is the meaning of unit place and ten place number? Okay, when we read this type of number, we say that 5, this is, what is this? This is 5. And what is this? This is not just 2, this is the tens place number, that's why we call it 20. Okay, this is the new concept for you all. Okay, देखो बेटा, जो यूनिट प्लेस पर है उसको हम सिंपल एक नंबर से रीड करते हैं, जैसे ये क्या लिखा है? 5 लिखा है, बट ये जो 2 है ये केवल 2 नहीं है, इट इज द टेंस प्लेस नंबर, सो इट विल बी मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10. तो 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 इज 20. If I write like 125, we read it like 125. 100. It means this is not 1, this is 100. What is this? 100. And this number is 125. We read it 20 now? 20. So this is 20 and this is 5 number. What is this? This is number 5. So if you can recall the numbers, we will move on up to our multiplication part. Okay, if you are not getting this, if it is very fast, you can pause the video and understand the concept. Okay, you can take a screenshot also of this being taught on the board. Now, multiplication. This is like I have written it 25 multiplied by 2. I have to find what is the product. 25 is the multiplicand, 2 is the multiplier, and what is the product we have to find. So multiplicand is written as here 25 and multiplier will be written here as multiplied by 2. You all write in this form. Okay, you all know how to multiply this. Okay, but we will multiply again because you must learn some new things which I am teaching you in this video. Okay, so 2, you all know how to multiply. First we will multiply 2 by 5. Yes, so 2 multiplied by 5, it comes out to be 10. Yes, 10. So there is 2 places. One is 0 and one is tens place, that is 1. So 0, we will write 0 here, and 1, that is not 1, that is 10. 10 will be going here as a carry. You know, you all call this a carry, but this is not 1, this is 10. You will understand here how it comes. Like 2 2's are now 2 multiplied by 2, that comes out to be 4. Okay, but this is what? This is not 2, this is 20. I teach you right now. This is the tens place number. So this is 20. But we call it 2, 4. 2 2's are 4. Like 4, that is not 4, that is 40. And 40, when we add 40 with 10, it comes out to be 50 here. Yes, but it is a tens place number, we will write here 5. So this is 50 plus 0, it is 50 now. Are you getting this point? I think you have got confused somewhere. Okay, we will take another example. We will do it in a simpler way. Like I have to multiply 125 by 4. Okay, now question here is 125 multiplied by 4. How I will write it? 125 will write here as a dividend and 4 in the as a multiplier. Okay, if you are not getting that earlier point, we will do it in an easier way which you can understand. So 4, when 4 is multiplied by 5, it comes out to be 4 5's are, you all know the table, 20. So 0 will be written here. Okay, and now the 20, the tens place number will be go on the tens place part. Okay, you can understand in this way also. So this is the tens place number, it will be go over the tens place part. So 4 2's are 8, 8 plus 2, that is 8 plus 2, that is 10, and it is tens place number, that means 100. Okay, but you do not go to that part. 4 2's are 8 and plus 2, that is 10. 10 of what? 10 of tens. Okay, it will be right below the tens part, 0 and again 1 go to the hundreds part. So this is the hundreds part. 4 1's are 4 and 1, that comes out to be 5. So our product of 125 and 4 is 500. So I will write here 500. Simple. Okay, you all know how to multiply 3-digit number by 1-digit number. Now we will move. So today's topic was, so we have to multiply 4-digit number, 4-digit number by 1-digit number. Okay, we will learn how to multiply a 4-digit number by 1-digit number. Like 4-digit number, I am writing here 7657. So this is 7657. You all know how to read it. So I have to multiply it by like 5. I am multiplying it by 5. So what is the product? So this is the multiplicand, this is the multiplier, and we have to find the product. So how to write it for multiplication? Multiplicand will be written here and multiplier will be written here in multiplication. Now we will do the multiplication part. So do not get confused how to multiply 4-digit number by 1. It is just a simple method you done earlier, like one word with the third 3-digit number. Just one digit is already added, like here ones, tens, thousand, hundreds and thousand. But just a 1,000 digit is also increased. We will do it in the same way we did the multiplication earlier. ठीक है बेटा, जैसा हमने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले किया था 3-digit नंबर्स का 1-digit नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई, वैसे ही करना है, बस 1 डिजिट और बढ़ गई. Okay, now we will start the multiplication. 5. Here it is written 5. So we start multiplication by multiplying the unit digit number first. Okay. So 5 multiply by 7 means 5 sevens are 35. You know, 5 sevens are 35. So unit place is 5. So unit place के नीचे हम क्या लिखेंगे? Unit place लिखेंगे. और जो ये tens place है, ये कहाँ चले जाएगा? Tens place के साथ. So 5 5s are 25. 25 में क्या ऐड करेंगे हम? 3, क्योंकि 3 भी तो आया टेंस प्लेस पे. 25 और 3 कितना हो गया? 28. 25 and 3, how will we do counting? Like this is 3, 25, 26, 27, 28. So 28. So 28 में जो 8 है टेंस प्लेस का, वो टेंस प्लेस के नीचे आ जाएगा. और जो 2 है, अब ये टेंस प्लेस है तो ये 100 प्लेस हो गया. So 100 प्लेस कहाँ जाएगा? 100 प्लेस के ऊपर. ये 100 प्लेस है, ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. Now we will do the multiplication of 5 with 6, which is at hundreds place. 5 6 are 30. So 30 plus 2, it comes out to be 32. Now this is the hundreds place unit. So 2 will be written here and 3 will be going on the thousands place. Now again we will do the same multiplication like we did earlier. Now 5 is multiplied by 7. 5 sevens are 35. 35 and 4 will be adding in here. So 4, 35, 36, 37, 38 and 39. So 39, 9 here and 3 here. So this is the product which come out when multiplicand of 7657 is multiplied by the multiplier 5. ठीक है बेटा, ये क्या है? मल्टीप्लिकेंट है. 7657 मल्टीप्लिकेंट की जब हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे मल्टीप्लायर 5 से, तो जो हमारा रिजल्ट आएगा उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? प्रोडक्ट. और प्रोडक्ट विल बी रिटन हियर. So in this way we will do the multiplication of 4-digit number by 1-digit number. Let's see one more example. एक एग्जांपल और कर ले बेटा. चलो एक एग्जांपल और देखते हैं. 4-digit नंबर की हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे किसी भी नंबर से. लाइक मेरा डेट ऑफ बर्थ है 1995. ओके, आई एम मल्टीप्लाइंग माय डेट ऑफ बर्थ विद माय फेवरेट नंबर. ओके, व्हिच इज योर फेवरेट नंबर? You guess and multiply your date of birth with your favorite number. So my favorite number is 3. I am multiplying 1995 by 3. So 3 5s are 15. 15 5 यहाँ पर 1 गया tens place पर. 3 9s are 27. 27 and 1 28. सो जो 28 हमारा आया, 28 में जो 8 है उसको आप 10th प्लेस के डिजिट के जस्ट नीचे लिखेंगे और जो 2 है ये 100 प्लेस पे चला जाएगा। नेक्स्ट 3 9 27, 27 में 2 ऐड करेंगे फिर से 27, 28, 29 कितना आया 29 आया। अब जो ये 9 है वो इस डिजिट के नीचे आएगा और 2 यहाँ चला जाएगा 1000 प्लेस पर। So 3 1s are 3, 3 and plus 2, it comes out to be 5. So this is the multiplication of 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. So in this way you also do the multiplication. So this is my date of year. You also try to multiply your date of year by your favorite number. Like my favorite number is 3 here. So you can do any numbers. So try to multiply the numbers. So at the end I will send a practice exercise in your groups and you will be solving that exercise in your notebooks, rough notebook of mathematics there you have made. Okay, you will solve the problems which have been given to you on the group. And thanks to watching this video. This is all for today. Have a nice day.